Project Sharky isn't the kind of truck you plan a day around. It's the reason the plan changes. The early morning sun rises on this custom Land Rover Defender 110. With coffee in hand and sunset in the sky, Sharky's agate grey paint catches the light in a way that makes you pause for a second longer than you expected. You climb in, hit the start, and the LT1 comes to life, smooth, confident, ready for whatever the day turns into. On the road, it's effortless. Air ride suspension soaking up everything beneath you, Alcon brakes giving you control when you need it, and that custom exhaust reminding you there's still a bit of attitude under it all. It's just as comfortable rolling through the city as it is heading out toward nowhere in particular. Inside, it's where things slow down. Sand leather, warm wood flooring, the kind of details you notice more the longer you sit with them. It's quiet when you want it to be, connected when you need it to be, and built for the kind of drives that don't feel rushed. There's space for everyone, front, middle, even those inward-facing jump seats in the back. Because this isn't just about getting somewhere, it's about bringing people along for the ride. Project Sharky is built for the in-between moments, the unplanned stops, the longer routes, the drives that start simple and end up being the best part of your day.